Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to extend my warm greetings to all the judges panel on behalf of Team OOK. Our theme is healthcare and medicine. We decided to come up with a solution to the two major problems that this pandemic has given rise to. The first one being bringing together the patients who are in dire need of oxygen cylinders and blood plasma and the people who are supplying those oxygen cylinders and plasma together on one platform through the medium of a web application that we've built using Django framework. The second one being child trafficking. As we've seen recently, a lot of children have lost their families to this pandemic, thereby nobody remaining in the family to take care of them. Thus, if we could check the legitimacy of the hospitals and get those children registered on a certain platform so that NGOs could reach out to them and help them, so we've implemented that in our project. Secondly, when a person makes a post on some social media network, then that post takes a lot of time to reach to the actual person who has the availability of those kinds of medical supplies. Building this web application will bring those two people, the producer and the consumer, together on one platform and thus help us quicken the process. Now, moving on to the technologies that we've used. We've used Django, HTML, CSS for frontend, and we've used user authorization using Google API. This is the UI for our web application. There will be a search bar which will have location and other filters. Then it will require you to enter your credentials. For example, if you are in need of something, then you can press onto the need tab and fill out a form which will tell you, get you registered in the database. And if you want to contribute something, then there will be another form which you can fill out, and then simultaneously you will get registered in the database, and those people who are in need and are in your locality will reach out to you, thus giving the required outcome.
Moving on to the prototype.
Yeah.
So this is the request page. The users will get themselves logged in and they'll reach a page where there will be various requests by other users. They can create a request by filling in details such as contact details, their state, their PIN code, their address, their blood group, and they'll submit it respectively.
This is the childcare section. It will require you to provide authentication so that your validity can be proved for the particular hospital. Then it will require you to provide the child details, the date of demise of parents, age of the child, and state. This will get the child registered and will help the NGOs or the orphanages who are willing to take up the children for childcare to help those children.
Moving on to the coding background, we have used Django for front end as well as the back end. So this is the URLs page where all the routing has been done. There is the home page, there is the need page for the users who will submit their requests, the give page where the suppliers will post whatever they have,
they can contribute.
Yeah. The add request has the form for submitting a request. The supply request has a form for submitting a contribution basically. And views.py has some functions which basically redirect you to the HTML pages or HTML requests. We have also built various HTML pages for home, login, logout, need, changing passwords, which get downloaded by default with the API
for the registered users.
Next, moving on to the website, we'll be running the code now. For running the code, you basically have to install Python, Django, and Django auth. And then you can run this command, python manage.py run server, which will create a local link which you can copy and paste on your browser. This is the login page. We haven't really focused on the alignment and designs yet.
Clicking on the login button will take you to a page which will require you to either sign in or sign up. Clicking on the sign in button will require you to fill out your credentials as Sampriti just did.
We already have a user registered, so we'll just sign
By the
them
name of
in.
Sampriti, yeah.
Sign in. Yeah.
This will again take you to a login page which will take you to a tab which will have a button which will take you to the home page.
This is the home page.
Yeah.
The people in need of something can go to the I need something tab, where there are already some dummy data filled in as requests.
You can also create a request by clicking on the create a request button. This will open up a request form.
You can fill in your details, age, your state, your PIN code, your address, your phone number, and your request type. And click on submit, which will add your request to the database. You can then redirect yourself to the home page, where you can also be a contributor. The contributor has a similar form.
The supply form. You can fill out this form.
Yeah.
And make a contribution.
Through this website, we aim to bring people together and help them as much as possible through our small contribution. Thank you.
Thank you so much.